You're probably wondering why we've made a how-to video about washing your car. Who could possibly need it, right? Well, there are actually a fair few common car washing mistakes that people make, and the most common one of all is using this stuff: dishwashing liquid. Sure, it might leave your car looking clean and smelling lemon fresh, but over time, using the wrong sort of detergent can actually harm your car's paint. So, if you've ever washed your car using dishwashing liquid, or you'd just like to pick up a few helpful tips, then this video is for you. In order to get the job done properly, you'll need a few more things than you might expect. Get yourself a sponge or wash mitt, a pair of decent-sized buckets, car wash, a wheel brush, and a chamois or sizeable microfibre drying towel. Oh yeah, and a car. Here's one now. Try to park your car in the shade when you wash it, or if that's not possible, then at least ensure that it's cool to the touch. Pour the recommended amount of car wash into one of your buckets, then fill both of them with water. Working from the top down, you'll need to hose or pressure wash your entire car off to thoroughly wet the surface, removing any loose dirt, grime, and bird droppings. Again, starting from the top and working your way down, liberally apply your car wash with one of your sponges to one panel at a time, rinsing each one off as you go. Try not to scrub too hard, as contaminants and grit can get caught in your cleaning product and might scratch your paint. As you wash each section, rinse your mitt or sponge off in the second bucket to ensure your soapy water stays free of any contaminants. As you finish at the bottom of your paintwork, next on the list is the wheels and arches. Using the wash water, switch to your wheel brush and start cleaning each wheel and arch. Make sure you keep your car wet as you wash it, and once you've cleaned the whole thing, give it a final rinse with a steady stream of water. This allows the water to sheet off the panels, making the drying process quicker and easier. Finally, using your chamois or sizeable microfibre drying towel, wipe down all the panels from top to bottom to prevent water spots from forming as it dries. Be sure to wipe in and around your door jambs while you're at it, and finish up with the wheels. And there you have it, you've just cleaned your car. And even though you've done a stellar job of it and have earned yourself a break, you aren't quite finished yet. Next, we're going to polish and wax your pride and joy to make sure it stays cleaner for longer, and to protect the paintwork against everything from sun damage, road grime, and those pesky birds.